Hi, I'm Joe with Family Handyman. If you're looking to purchase an outdoor security camera, there's a lot to consider. Here's a list of things to think about before you make that purchase. Let's get started. First up is budget. How much do you want to spend? You can spend as little as $40 all the way up to $250. How many cameras do you need? Do you want it wireless or wired? And it depends on the quality of the picture. Next, you need to consider connecting to your home network. There are basically three different cameras. One is wire-free, that is battery operated but still connects to your Wi-Fi. Wireless, you need a power source that connects to your Wi-Fi. And then hardwired is wired to a power source and then hardwired to an Ethernet port. Another thing to consider is, does your camera need to be compatible with your smart home? Do you have other devices that connect to a hub, such as Google Assistant, Apple HomeKit, and Alexa? Next, we're going to talk about resolution and storage because they're connected. The higher the resolution, the more storage you're going to need, which means more money. That's why I like this baby. This is 1080, right in the ballpark. I can store this locally or in the cloud. Now you need to figure out where you're going to put your camera. I happen to have a doorbell camera on my front door, so I'm going to install mine above my garage door here so I get my driveway. I want to put it high enough so it deters people from stealing it. Another thing to think about is it a high traffic area? If it's a high traffic area, you're going to get a lot of alerts on your phone. Now I'm going to install the camera. I chose this Blink camera because it's wire-free, it runs on batteries. You download the app, set up an account, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and you're good to go. Great, camera's working. Hope these tips help you for the next time you're looking for a security camera. For more great information like this, visit us at familyhandyman.com.